Tesla Model 3 made in China completes crash and safety testing with mostly good results, friends. This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel, and this is an information which just came in. Last week, Automotive Engineering Research Institute of China did a crash test on made in China Model 3, and here are the ratings and results of made in China Tesla Model 3 crash test. Durability and repair cost average. Occupant safety, excellent. Pedestrian safety, good. Safety assistant, excellent. These are some excellent results that Tesla Model 3 got from China crash test. Tesla Model 3 in China Model 3 has just received the results of its crash and safety test. The results are mostly good, but maybe not the top results we're used to from Tesla. If you remember, several days ago, I had the video of Tesla Model 3 crash test made in China, and we said we were waiting the results to come in the next couple of days, and here we are. These are the results. The Model 3 has won several other safety plaudits, including 5-star ratings in all categories and the lowest probability of injury ever tested from NHTSA, 5-star from Euro NCAP, while being hailed as setting a new safety technology benchmark, and 5-star from the Australian NCAP. It also earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, which is the highest possible safety award it could have achieved with the organization. Now, the model made in China Model 3, Tesla Model 3, is also going through crash and safety tests with the China Insurance Automobile Safety Index Management Center. This is very important because it establishes the benchmark for Tesla Model 3 insurance price, car insurance price in China. Tesla did well with the version of its best-selling sedan made at Gigafactory Shanghai, albeit scoring lower in some categories. On your screen, you are seeing some tests, some images of how they are doing. I'm going to make sure every image can get enough time that you can see, friends. For example, keep in mind that it's a translation from Chinese, what you're seeing on your screen, but you get an idea of the different scores on the bottom right. For the low speed structure collision, Tesla scored general, which we're assuming means average, okay, general. The type of crash can be devastating. Here are pictures of the Model 3 after the test. As you can see on your screens, for the side impact test, Tesla scored as well as it could have the made in China Model 3. And you also will see a picture of the Model 3 test vehicle after the side impact crash test. Tesla always scores strongly in roof strength tests, and the Model 3 made in China is no exception for this. Aside from the windshield cracking, you can barely see the impact of the test on the vehicle. And also here are some of the rest of the results from the China Insurance Automobile Safety Index Management Center's test that you can see on your screen. Mostly you see good results or general results, which we assume is good. Let me know what you think about these results, friends. You know, several days ago we had that dramatic video showing Tesla Model 3 made in China crashing, but we didn't have the results. I would like to hear your thoughts on what you think about these results, and do you think this is better than in the United States? For example, I see the vehicle structure is generally I think it's general, which stands for G for stands I think good or general, and then we see head movement protection general, head and neck general, trunk general, pelvis and legs driver protection general, head movement protection general, head and neck general, trunk general, pelvis and legs again general. It says a lot of things are general. What do you think about this, friends? Let me know. In the meantime, this is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel. I'm going to show these pictures I finished speaking, so you can see and you can compare to Tesla Model 3 made in Fremont, California in the United States, and see what you think about the differences. Okay, friends, have a wonderful day. God bless you. Stay safe and take good care of each other. And let's continue Tesla Model 3 discussion in this channel before. In this channel's comment section, do you see a lot of difference or does this between the United States made Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model 3 made in China? And also, are these results, do these results meet your expectations? Okay, friends, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you. Take good care of each other and take good care of your families, friends. See you soon.